Yeah, now we are going to see about Azure Pipeline. So Azure Pipeline is nothing but you are going to build a code, and it will be built and it will be tested and it will be deployed it. So in earlier days, what we'll do is we will build a code by manually and we'll deploy into the servers. So this Azure Pipeline, we will create a repository like a Git or TFS or SVN, and once we do any check-in, automatically it will build it, and whatever the project we have done, it will into deploy into that particular app servers or DB servers. So let me see how we will create a pipeline for this. So I have a Git in my own account. So I have created one sample. Let me show you Azure pipeline. So this is my Git. I created one sample .NET Core project. So what you can do, you can clone this one and you can map this one. So let me go to my AWS account. So first I will create my pipeline. So if you go to DevOps, notice. So this is my uh, DevOps project. So what I'll do is I create one DevOps project. So basically I'm going to build the code. Before building the code, it is asking what type of application you have. So I'm going to use .NET Core. So I'm selecting .NET Core. So wait. So I have my own existing code. Okay. So if you select this, it will create automatically predefined templates and that one. Since I have already created my own application, so I'm selecting last option. Bring your own code of your application. So I'm clicking next. So it's asking repository. Since I have a GitHub account. So I'm mapping this GitHub in time. So it's asking authorization. So once you click this, you have to map it to your Git account. So it will ask for your username and password. You have to enter it. Since already I have mapped it, so it just asks for authorization. That's it. So since I already mapped it, that's why it doesn't ask username. And after that, whatever I get, I have. So it comes all the master branch of that project. Since this is my pipeline, I'm selecting this, and our branch is master. So I'm clicking next, and it's asking the what type of runtime. So it's a .NET. So you can see it's .NET, and my framework is .NET Core. So if you have normal application, you can select ASP.NET. Since I'm using .NET Core 3.1, so I'm selecting this option. Then after that, click next. So it's asking whether you want to deploy in Windows Server or Linux Server. So my thing is Windows Server. I'm selecting Windows. Click next. Now important thing. So actually in this part, I'm going to deploy this application into, after doing a code build, it will deploy this application into some app server. So I'm creating a .NET Core apps GitHub deploy. So I have created my own organization. That's why it's coming my demo dummy. Okay, my subscription is for your billing, and it's since I've selected a website name, it's automatically selected the project name and website name is same. So here it's selecting the price tier base again. So I'm going to select with free tier. Okay. So then after that, okay, then click OK. Now, once you do this, it will create a project name with this name. So I'm going to done. Then I will show you an interesting thing. So let us wait for it will take some while. Meantime, that I will pass the video for some time. So right now it's trying to deploy this application into that app server. So this is my deployment name, and it's trying to deploy into that app server. So it's still taking time. Meantime, you can refresh and see here. It's deploying this thing. So this is my pipeline. Click this operation. Still doing it. So, okay, still running. I think it will be completed. Let's close it. I think it is completed. Let me go to. So if you see here, I created my DevOps project. My this DevOps project. Uh, so basically, I mapped with this Azure pipeline. So what happened is that it will take this code, okay, and build it, and it will deploy into this .NET Git deploy. So still my resource is not up, okay. So one second. So just now it is building. See, still build is in progress. Once build is completed and then see it succeeded. Now what will happen? Next thing it will start deploying. Can you see now it started deploying? So you can see the color is changing. See here status in progress. After that, it will provision this into this infrastructure. So right now this is in progress. Let us hold for some time. So now I think this one has got deployed. So see here, it is in progress, but it's deployed, still progressing, and infrastructure is it's created the application server. So this code has been deployed. This code has been deployed into this app server. Okay, so let me browse and see. So we'll browse and see. I think it up or not, I'm not sure. Okay, so app server is running. Yeah, now this deployment. It's telling release in progress. That's why it's taking a lot of time. See why it's taking a lot of time. It locate why it might be taking because my server is located in southeast US. Because of that, it's taking time. So I am located in South India because of that. So see, right now release is done. So release is success. Once release is success, it is deployed. Let me rerun this app server. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, see, it's loaded. So when I'm clicking here, you can see there the privacy page is changing. Example for Azure. So okay, uh, so that so my so this is my so whenever I checking the code or any changes you have done. So since I have integrated my Azure pipeline, uh, Azure Pipeline, and whenever you checking the code or any changes you do, automatically build will start and automatically deploy into this app server. So in order to test this one, so what I have done is let me change some file in my Azure pipeline. So this is my Azure pipeline. So let me change my privacy page. So this is my privacy page. So I will changes done on privacy page by Jagan. So change this file. Right now I'm checking the code. Changes done on privacy page. See here right now, you see here, I have done the changes 3 hours ago. So once I done the changes, automatically this will trigger will start and it will go to next level build stage. Then it goes to deployment stage. This deployment will deploy into this app servers. So let me check in. Then you will come to know the exact thing. I'm going to commit. I'm going to sync. I'm going to push. See, you can push it through Git also, but you're pushing through Git also, and you can push it to via this TFS also. Okay. So let me see whether this getting triggered or not. Yeah, see here, trigger started. Can you see just now changes done on priority? So if you click here, you will see what changes I have done that will reflect. See here, changes on privacy. It will show what I have done the changes also. Let me go to back. Okay. So see now build is in progress. So it started, whatever I have done the changes, it started. Now it started automatically build is in progress. So this icon shows that it is in progress. So whatever we have done the changes, it will be, so this page we have change it to this one, no? Changes done on privacy by Jagan. So that should reflect right now. Still in progress. We'll wait for some time. So now you see build is succeeded. It goes to next stage, release. Now it's trying to deploy this code after building into this app server. So it's in progress. Just know this deploy in progress. So right now it has been released and it deployed into this app server. So if you see release 2 has been deployed. We have done two releases, release 1, release 2. So release 2 has been deployed into uh, this app server. So see here, I think, so this is was initial thing. So when I refresh this one, you see the changes. So I have changed this privacy page with some text. So the text is this one. Changes done by privacy page by Jagan. Can you see this? So whatever we have done the changes, it has been. So whatever the changes we have done in the privacy page, it has been deployed into the this one. So this is actually called continuous integration and continuous deployment. So whatever people are doing the changes, immediately they deploy into app servers. So in later stage, we will write some test cases also. So such that it will test it. Once a test is passed, then it will deploy into uh, this staging servers or like that. Okay. Thank you. That's it.